Hello everyone, welcome back to Win with Max. It's me, Vinita. Today we are going to learn divisibility rules. So, the divisibility rule for 1. Every number is divisible by 1. It doesn't have any special divisibility rule for 1. Divisibility rule for 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So, a number when it is divisible by 2 if the last digit of the number is either 0 or 2, 4, 6 or 8. For example, 648. Here 648. Here the last digit of 648 is 8. When the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 will come, it is divisible by 2. That means 648 is divisible by 2. 593. Here the last digit is 3. When the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 will come, it is divisible by 2. But here it is 3. That means 593 is not divisible by 2. Now, divisibility rule for 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. For example, 246. When we are adding the digits of 246, 2 plus 4 plus 6. 2 plus 4 will be 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. That means 246 is divisible by 3. Again, another one, 152. When we are adding the digits, 1 plus 5 plus 2. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 is not in table 3. That means 152 is not divisible by 3. Then divisibility rule for 4. If the last two digits of a whole number are divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. For example, 520. We can check the last two digit. Here it is 20. 20 is divisible by 4. That means 520 is divisible by 4. 713. Here the last two digits are 13. 13 is not in table 4. That means 713 is not divisible by 4. Now divisibility rule for 5. Numbers that are divisible by 5 must end in 5 or 0. For example, 295. Here the last number is 5. 5 or 0 will come when the last number is 5 or 0 will come. That number is divisible by 5. That means 295 is divisible by 5. Same as 380, 565, all here the last numbers are 0 or 5 will come. That entire number is divisible by 5. That means 380 is divisible by 5. 565 is also divisible by 5. Then divisibility rule for 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. For example, 738. We have to check 738 is divisible by 2 or not. Here the last digit is 8. When the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 will come, it is divisible by 2. That means 738 is divisible by 2. Then we have to check 738 is divisible by 3 or not. For checking divisibility of 3, we can add the digit 7 plus 3 plus 8. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. That means 738 is divisible by 3. When a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. That means 738 is divisible by 6. Now, divisibility rule for 7. Take the last digit of the number, double it, then subtract the result from the rest of the number. If the resulting number is divisible by 7, so the entire number is divisible by 7. So, for example, we can take 483. Take the last digit of the number. Here the last digit is 3. Then double it. Double it means 3 multiplied 2, it is 6. Then subtract the result from the rest of the number. Here when we are taking 3, the rest of the numbers are 48. Then 48 minus 6. Answer we will get 42. We can check the resulting number is divisible by 7 or not. Here we have 42. 42 is divisible by 7. So that 483 is divisible by 7. Another example, it is 527. We can take the last digit, that is 7, double it, 7 2s are 14. Then that answer we have to subtract from the rest of the numbers. Here when we take 7, the rest of the numbers are 52. So 52 minus 14. 52 minus 14 we will get 38. 38 is not in table 7. That means 527 is not divisible by 7. Then divisibility rule for 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are evenly divisible by 8. For example, 4128. We can take the last 3 digit, that is 128. We can check it is divisible by 8 or not. We can divide 128 using 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 6 are 48. That means 16 multiply 8 will be 128. That means 128 is divisible by 8. So that the entire number 4128 is divisible by 8. Another example here, 5143. Divide 143, last 3 digit 143 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 14 minus 8 will be 6. 63. 8 sevens are 56. Here we will get 7. That means 143 is not divisible by 8. So that the entire number 5143 is not divisible by 8. Now, divisibility rule for 9. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Example 729. This is same as divisibility rule of 3. We can add the digit 7 plus 2 plus 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 9 will be 18. 18 is there in table 9. That means 729 is divisible by 9. Then divisibility rule for 10. Any number that ends in 0 is divisible by 10. Example 520, 490, 380. When the last digit is 0 will come, that number is divisible by 10. So that means all these numbers are divisible by 10. Thanks for watching. See you again with another episode.